Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Sukakadale Mala. Last time we had this Guess the Song challenge which you all loved. We are back again with part 2. And Mummy, are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Let's go. First one. This is our prayer and this is our only wish that every person should treat another person with humanity.
Yes, I know. हीच आमुची प्रार्थना, हीच आमुचे मागणे, माणसानी माणसाशी माणसासम वागणे.
Correct. Next one. The wind has arrived accompanied by showers of rain.
The wind
The wind has arrived accompanied by showers of rain.
आला आला वारा संगे पावसाच्या धारा.
Yay, correct. Next one. Oh, buds from my dreams do not bloom yet. Oh, buds from my dreams.
म्हणजे कळी, डू नॉट ब्लूम म्हणजे
Dreams do not bloom yet. From my dreams.
फुलवू नको का ते सपनातल्या कळ्यानो उमलू नकाच केव्हा.
Correct. Yes. Next one. Where the sea meets the land, there I wait for you.
सी समुद्र सागर.
Where the sea
Land.
meets the land, there I wait for you.
आय वेट फॉर यू, तुझी वाट बघते. जिथे सागरा धरणी मिळते, प्रीती तुझी मी वाट पाहते.
Correct. Next one. Where and how shall I search for you, my beloved? Where and how shall I search for you?
शोधू मी कशी कुठे प्रिया तुला.
Yay. Nice. Next one. Oh boatman, the gentle wind is blowing. Oh boatman.
बोटमॅन म्हणजे मराठीत म्हणतात त्याला नाविक.
The gentle wind is blowing.
विंड इज ब्लोईंग. वारा वाहेरे. नाविका रे वारा वाहेरे. पुढे काय नाविका रे वारा वाहेरे एवढंच.
Correct. Last but not the least. Little sparrows come back home, return to your own nest.
एकदम इझी. लिटिल स्पॅरो कम बॅक होम. या चिमण्यानो परत फिरा घराकडे आपल्या.
Correct. Nice. See you soon. Bye.
थँक्यू.